In this tutorial, I'll show you how to limit file sharing in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a Drive file or folder locked down so only specific people can access it with view-only or comment-only rights and without the ability to download, copy, or print. First, in Google Drive, right-click the file or folder you want to limit. On the menu that appears, click Share. This opens the sharing window where all access is controlled. Next, set General Access to Restricted. Look for the General Access section, open the drop-down, and choose Restricted. And this ensures the item isn't publicly accessible by link and can only be opened by the people you explicitly allow. Now remove unwanted people. In the People with Access list, go through each person who should no longer have access. I've clicked the Remove option next to their name to revoke access. Don't worry, you can always add someone back later if needed. Removing anyone you don't recognize or no longer need helps prevent unintentional sharing. From here, set permission to viewer or commenter only. For every person who should still have access, open the drop-down beside their name and choose viewer if they only need to see the file, or commenter if they should be able to leave comments. Avoid giving editor rights when you want to limit sharing because editors can change permissions and create copies. Keeping everyone at viewer or commenter prepares the next step to fully prevent copying and downloads. Once that's done, click the settings gear icon in the top right of the sharing window. This opens additional sharing controls. Now turn off, download, copy, and print. And you uncheck the options that allow viewers and commenters to download, copy, or print the file. This prevents recipients from saving local copies or redistributing the content outside your control. Note that these restrictions apply to viewers and commenters, which is why we set those roles in the previous step. At this point, click Done to save and apply all changes. The share window will close, and your file or folder is now restricted. Only the people you left on the access list can open it. Their role is limited to viewer or commenter, and they won't have the built-in options to download, copy, or print. Your Google Drive sharing limits are now set and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.